Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making chicken bun, soft from outside, juicy inside and filled with flavorful chicken keema. A perfect evening snack you can easily make at home. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Chicken buns are popular street snacks worldwide. Add half cup curd. Curd makes the bun dough soft and tender. Half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well and make a soft dough. Rub oil on top and keep aside. For the filling, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon green chili. Add 2 tablespoons onion and saute briefly. Now add 1 cup chicken keema. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. One tablespoon tomato sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon capsicum. Cook well and keep aside. Now take some dough. Add cooked chicken filling and mozzarella cheese. Cheese adds richness to the filling. Cover well and spread gently. Seal edges well to avoid leakage. Now make light cuts on top. Knife cuts help even frying. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown. Fry on medium heat for even color. Chicken is a good source of protein. Homemade buns use control oil. Curd supports digestion. Best enjoyed fresh and warm. Serve hot. Your chicken bun is crispy outside and juicy inside, perfect for tea time or quick hunger. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovative Foods for more tasty chicken snacks.